Hey everybody, today's video we're gonna go replace the hinge on my anchor locker hatch because of a stupid mistake by me. Kind of screwed this thing up a little bit. So quick and easy, let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we gotta pull off some screws here. I've already got this one started. We're gonna pull this off, pull out all these screws. They're just threaded into the fiberglass body. We can get this thing inside and get a better look at it. Voila. Alrighty, so we got this thing sitting in here. Here's the old hinge, and as you can see, we've actually busted one of the other rivets. Whoops. One of the rivets busted off. The hinge is old, the boat's getting old, you know, it is an 08. So this type of hinge is called a piano hinge. I actually purchased my new one right here. Green. This is a stainless steel one. This is a aluminum hinge from the factory. Aluminium for the rest of y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and use this stainless steel hinge, and it's riveted together with aluminum rivets. And we're gonna keep those aluminum rivets. And the main reason is, if I ever make a stupid mistake again, I want these rivets to pull out and break. That is the main reason. So the hole size on these holes, these are 1/4-inch holes. So we're gonna get some rivets, and we're just gonna use a regular old hand rivet gun. This is pretty basic stuff. And then we're gonna screw it all together. So to get rid of these, to drill these rivets out, what you wanna do is you wanna drill out the center hole right here, and just a big enough drill bit to just barely drill that out, because we don't wanna elongate any more holes. So let's go ahead and we'll get that done. And 1, 2, 3. There we go. It ain't gonna take much. And that's it, dudes. So now we got this prep. I'm just gonna clean it, and we'll get this sucker put on. Alrighty, so I got my 3/16 aluminum rivet. We're gonna go ahead and rivet this piano hinge onto the platform. So here we go. And when you do this, again, you wanna, let's go ahead and we'll put it like this. And we'll put that down there like that. Get on the end of this, and you wanna use a downward pressure when you're doing this. And I'm gonna take another rivet. I'm just gonna put that right there so she doesn't wanna move on me. Boom. And then this little piece will come out the end like that. So we're gonna go and do the rest of these, and we'll go ahead and do the rest of these, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Booyah, there we go. She is on there great. So the reason I'm doing this again is because I put the hinge on upside down. So I gotta re-rivet this. So that was my bad. But not the end of the world. Let me tell you what, not the end of the world. Done for the second time. Now we know that this works, but unfortunately, none of our holes line up. So we're gonna have to make a mark and drill it. I'm gonna show you that. Okay, before I drill new holes, first thing I gotta do is figure out what size screw this is. You can get these at any hardware store, yada yada. So this is a number 10 screw. Now since this is a number 10 screw, to drill the hole for this in the fiberglass, I'm going to need a 9/64 drill bit. Now, how did I know this? Because I went on the freaking internet and looked it up. I don't know how you're not gonna be able to remember stuff like that. So just look it up. So 9/64, we're gonna draw a horizontal line so we know that we're drilling in the right spot, and boom, piece of cake. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a line right down the middle of these. Alrighty, so I'm drawing, not drilling, a line down the center of these holes. This is gonna show me when I place the piano hinge up there where exactly I need to drill to be centered. So I'm gonna set it on there. And now I have to kind of index this thing in the center. And so what I'm doing is I'm gonna take some pencil marks and I'm just marking the very edge of the hinge on the top side there on the deck. Then I'm gonna make a couple more lines where the spacing is between the hinges. This is just to help me index this thing when I set it back up there because it's in a goofy position. So that's it. Right down there on the... Okay. And it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this on here. I can see where my line is, and I'm just gonna take my pencil and I'm just gonna mark the hole. Bada bing, bada boom. Start your drill bit in reverse when drilling into the gel coat, and then we'll just drill it all the way through here. There we go. Bottom out. Alrighty, let's check our fitment here. Oh, that looks perfect. Absolutely perfect. So now we'll drill this side out and then we'll have her. Again, we're gonna start this drill in reverse. Nice. Look at that. Piece of cake. So there we go. Worked out fine. I know it probably looked a little like, how are you gonna get all that lined up? It's really not that hard. And I'm doing this by myself right now. I'm missing dinner time. So there you go. We'll go ahead and get the other two holes drilled. Attach that back to there, our safety lanyard. And then we got it done. That's it, kids. Awesome. Attach my lanyard and I'm done. Well, that's it. All the parts that I use and tools and all that will be down in the description of the video, all my links and stuff. I do appreciate it. As you guys can see, the grass is getting green. It's just gotta get a little bit warmer, that's all. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope, oops, it's dark. I hope this helps. And again, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.